Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce pasta. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite short pasta, like penne or fusilli, along with 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Also, have your salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg ready. The secret to a smooth white sauce begins with a perfect roux. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture forms a smooth paste and takes on a light, nutty aroma. This step is crucial for preventing lumps later on. Now, let's transform our roux into a creamy sauce. Gradually pour in 2 cups of whole milk, whisking continuously to ensure there are no lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook and thicken for about 5 minutes. Finally, season your sauce with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg for a delightful flavor. We're almost there. Once your white sauce has reached the desired consistency, add about 2 cups of your freshly cooked pasta directly into the pan. Stir everything together gently to coat the pasta evenly. Then, incorporate 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, stirring until it's completely melted and the sauce is wonderfully smooth. Serve your delicious white sauce pasta immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.